You know that feeling, that frustrating, sometimes kind of scary numbness or tingling in your legs and feet? It can really throw off your whole day. And a lot of the time, it's just a sign that your circulation or nerves need a little help. So if you're looking for some easy ways to get relief, you are in the right place. Let's jump right in. Whether it's that pins and needles feeling, a dull ache, or you just can't feel much at all, you are definitely not alone. It's super common. And the really good news? There are simple, effective things you can start doing about it, like right now. So today, we're gonna walk through a really straightforward 6-exercise routine from Dr. Vivek Joshi. It's designed specifically to get that circulation going and wake up the muscles in your lower legs and feet. And the best part is, these are all simple, actionable steps you can start doing immediately. All right, let's kick things off with a few exercises you can do from the comfort of your chair. Seriously, for this first one, you don't need any special equipment at all, just a place to sit. Okay, so the first move is a simple 3-part warm-up, just like you see here. You're gonna point your toes up to the ceiling, then straighten your leg all the way out, and then lower it back down, but lift your heel up at the end. The real key here is to try and make it one smooth flowing movement. That's what really gets the blood pumping. And why this one? Well, it's super effective. It immediately gets blood flowing right down to your lower legs, and it really gets those important calf muscles working. Dr. Joshi recommends doing this about 15 times on each leg to really start feeling those benefits. All right, for the next couple of moves, you're gonna need a simple prop. Just grab a hard ball, a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, anything like that works perfectly. Go ahead and place the ball under one foot and just start rolling it around. Go forwards and backwards, make some circles with it. The trick is to apply some firm but still comfortable pressure. And hey, if you find a spot that's a little tender, hang out there for a second. That's how you release tension and get blood flowing to those specific areas. And of course, make sure you give both feet some love. All right, now for a fun little challenge. Position the ball right under your toes. Your goal is to try and grip the ball with your toes and actually lift it off the floor, even just a tiny bit. I know it sounds way harder than it looks, but it is a fantastic workout for all those small muscles in your feet. Just aim for about 5 to 10 tries on each foot. And as Dr. Joshi puts it, the whole point here is to wake those muscles up. We want them to be more active and stronger. It's that activity that really helps fight back against that numb feeling. Okay, for our last exercise in the chair, you're gonna place the ball right between your ankles. Now squeezing firmly. And while you're squeezing, try to lift it up off the ground and hold it there for about 5, maybe 10 seconds. You should really feel your inner thigh muscles firing up. Go ahead and repeat that lift 5 times. Awesome job. Now that we're done with the seated part, we're gonna switch things up and move from the chair down to the floor for the second half of our routine. So once you're lying down comfortably, we're gonna start with that exact same 3-step warm-up we did at the very beginning. It works just as great from this position to get your legs prepped for what's next. Okay, time for something a little different. Grab a towel and fold it up under your foot so your toes are just a little bit raised. Now, using only your toes, try to scrunch and pull that towel towards you. This is another amazing way to get those foot muscles activated. Just keep going until the towel is all bunched up and then switch and do the other foot. And here we are, our final movement. This is a really powerful stretch. While you're on your back with your legs straight, first, I want you to point your toes outward as far as they'll go. You should feel a stretch through your whole leg, maybe even into your lower back. Hold it for a few seconds. Then, do the opposite. Bring them inward, pointing them towards each other. You'll feel that stretch in a totally different spot. Just alternate between these two positions about 15 to 20 times. Okay, so these exercises are absolutely fantastic for circulation and waking up your muscles. But that's really only half the story. To get the full picture of relief, we also have to look at what's happening on the inside. And that brings us to the crucial role of nutrition. Dr. Joshi makes this point very, very clear. For your nerves to actually be healthy and happy, all this physical exercise has to be supported by the right nutrients inside your body. So here are the 2 big ones he points to and the specific levels you should aim for. For vitamin D3, you want to be somewhere between 70 and 80 nanograms per milliliter. For vitamin B12, the target is around 350 picograms per milliliter. He really suggests getting your levels checked because if you're low, getting those numbers up could be a huge piece of the puzzle for you. So after all this, what's the most important takeaway? It's one word: consistency. None of these movements are super complicated or take a lot of time. Their real power comes from making them a regular, normal part of your daily life. And that's our look at Dr. Joshi's routine. So I'm going to leave you with this question. What's just one small step, one of these simple exercises that you can try today, right now? Because taking that first small step, well, that's the most important part of the whole journey to feeling better.